Hello back everyone. So throughout this session we're gonna discuss about arithmetic operation inside JavaScript. So first of all, let's have here console.log 2 plus 3. As you can see, he will provide you with the result, which is 5. Perfect. The other one definitely gonna be subtract 2 minus 3. Here is it minus 1. And about multiplication, 2 times 3, he will provide you 6. And what about if we put two arithmetic operation like that, two multiply operation like that? See, it give me 8. Why is that? Because double multiply operation in ECMAScript 8 means power. So that one 2 power 3, it equal 8. Perfect. Alright, so let's continue. What about if we're gonna have a division? For example, 12 divide 3 will provide me with 4. Okay, one more. If we need to check about even or odd number, we're gonna use that percentage operator. So here is that if we say 12 percentage, for example, 6, he provide me with 0. All right, okay, let's make it 12 percentage 2. 12 percentage 2 provide me 0. That means 12 is what? Is an even number. But look at that, if instead of 12 it will be 13. So look at that, 13 percentage 2, it will be 1. So if the rest of division is equal to 1, that means the number will be odd. Otherwise, if it's 0, it means the number will be even. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Hello back everyone. So throughout this session, we're gonna discuss about comparison and logical operator. So first of all, I will take that console.log as a copy and paste. Okay, and let's start by double equal. If we say 5 double equal 5, what will be the result? Look at that, it's true. That means double equals gonna compare the first operand with the other operand. And if both of them are equal, he will tell you true. Otherwise, he will tell you false. Look at that, if we say 5 double equal 4, look at that, he said false. Perfect. But listen, if we say triple equal, look at that, and we make it again 5. So this one should provide me perfect. Here is it. It's right now true. But listen, if we change this 5 to be like string, okay, and right now let's see the result. Hey, look at that. He said false. Why is that? Because triple equal, he check about two things. He check about the value and about data type. Here is that both of them is 5. But the first one is integer, data type number, and the other one is data type string. So both of them doesn't equal each other regarding the type. That's why he is telling you false. But listen, if we remove that equal and make it only double equal, guess what? It will be true. Yes, look at that. It's true. Because both of them regarding or from value perspective, both of them is 5 by end of day. And regarding all other comparison operator, all of them are here in JavaScript. If we are talking about greater than, less than or equal, greater than or equal, all of them are there. But the most important one I'm gonna discuss about not equal. Look at that. If I ask him, is 5 not equal 5? He will tell me false. So we are passing, this logical operator like that to describe about not equal. Thank you for watching and see you in next session.